Okay, so I remembered. Hold on, Willie. It's harder for me to get under here now. I can't bend my knee. I remember the funny, dude. I know you gotta poop, but don't poop on Raider. Okay, so the funny thing, like with my knee pain, is, Raider, you're supposed to be over here in the picture. There you go. They want to see a dog. It's bad enough they got to hear my dumb mouth. They don't want to see the grass growing. I was really feeling good. So, when I was young, working out was big, right? I wanted to play football. You got to work out. And I grew up around all Mexicans, right? And back then, every Mexican had a weight bench and all that kind of stuff. So they were always working out for boxing and stuff like that. Mostly. More than bodybuilding, right? They were working out for boxing. At least the guys where I lived, you know. Of course, not all of them or everything, all that kind of stuff. But so, anyways, when you watch people, I always thought when you would watch people working out, like they'd be lifting weights and making all these goofy faces. I used to laugh at him and be like, dude, maybe I'm not working out hard enough, but I ain't doing all that crap. Right? And so this morning with my knee hurting real bad, like kind of right after Waylon made me turn it, I was doing all that. Going up the stairs, I go up one step, I'm like, ooh. It made me think of all that. Oh man, and I just thought of another story too. By the time I got done with that story, I done forgot it. It was something similar. Where's my poop bags? There they are. Up underneath my skirt is where they are. It was something similar to making funny faces and noises. Anyways, that's my funny story. Now that I'm in excruciating pain. Oh, I know what I thought about. Now that I'm in excruciating pain, I see why. They were probably just working out way harder. I wasn't as serious about it as they were. Oh. Raiders, settle down, fool. Come on, Woody. I got you on the pinky. Then the other thing that I just thought about, look, Willie did something to his right front, one of his pads. He stepped on something, so he's got a little limp. Dude, settle down. You're the only one that's healthy. Otto is getting over his right front. He had some ankle or knee sprain, right? Jumping out the window, shoulder maybe. But he had sprained something on his leg. Now my right knee is killing, right? And Gabby's a tripod and she's missing her right front leg. It's all right legs right now. They're all messed up. All right, anyways, that's a funny one. Used to make fun of people doing those funny faces and noises. And then now I have to do it. What else? Everybody's right leg. Raider, you gotta have some empathy here, dude. You gotta understand you got two cripples behind you. All right, whatever.